Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another very fantastic video. Here's your boy, and we're gonna watch some good old-fashioned Code Blue Camp. The more that you guys didn't know, I truly enjoy watching body cam videos. I don't watch the highly graphic or the insanely out-of-pocket ones, but the funny ones tend to gain my attention. So, we're gonna watch another one of that, and we're gonna watch this video here. This video right here. But we're gonna watch that one.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Those are ways. But if you guys enjoy me reviewing and talking about Code Blue Camp videos, just body cam videos in general, hit that follow button, like button, subscribe button, any other buttons that I have there. I don't know what buttons I have. Hit whatever button that your mouth sees fit to. We're gonna have a good time. Let's go.
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Oh my god.
It started around 10:20 p.m. on November 28th, 2025, when an Osseo police officer spotted a blue Toyota Highlander traveling at more than 100 miles per hour on Highway 10 in Osseo, Wisconsin. But as he initiated a traffic stop, he had no idea that the driver has other plans and will stop at nothing.
77 County, still west on 10, just coming up to Peterson Road.
100 miles per hour in a Toyota is wild. I don't know how dangerous y'all understand. I don't know. I'm pretty sure y'all know it's bad. But 100 miles per hour in a Toyota is deadly. There's some deadly consequences from crashing into anyone in a Highlander. You're gonna get sent to the Highlands, but I think that's all that comes out of that.
Okay, for any description of the vehicle? Blue Kia SUV, I believe.
Yeah! Sir, that's a Toyota.
The driver of the SUV is 29-year-old John Copland. And as he continues driving erratically and swerving through lanes, the officer is about to find out that he has already been doing this for much of the night and has no intention of stopping.
Whose man is this? Who knows John? John, what are you doing? What is your plan here?
Down to 20. Stop for the stop sign.
20?
40, let's park.
Hit him. Go for it. You gotta go, Doug! Oh my god, the Toyota has some
As the
acceleration.
chase continues, a trooper monitoring Trempealeau County's radio traffic hears the officer's updates and heads toward the area, preparing to deploy spike strips to stop John. As more units join the pursuit, their priority is clear: bring John to a stop. But they know it isn't going to be easy.
He's off-roading! My man plays Forza. He's a Forza player. Playground games. You see my man. He wants the Toyota Highlander in there. I know you got the Toyota Tacoma and the other. But he already has the Highlander in Horizon. Don't they?
No!
Alright, John. What is your plan here, John? What is your plan here, John? What are you doing? What's your plan here, John? John. What is your plan here? Give me some comms, John. Not some communication. Give me some comms, John. John. He's gotta be drunk, bro. He's gotta be drunk. He's going so slow. Oh. No, John, that was bad. No. My man is just doing joyrides in the field. He's gonna go cow tipping with Mater and Lightning.
Oh, great heaven!
As units from multiple counties join the pursuit, the Osseo officer learns that John had not only stolen the SUV, but that earlier that evening, Eau Claire County Sheriff's deputies had also pursued him while he was driving the same vehicle before he managed to escape. But he is prepared for every attempt they make.
Going the same direction we were going.
He's just doing... Okay, never mind. I was about to say, he's just doing donuts. The man is literally just driving in circles. Just the driving in circles. Trying spikes again?
77 County. I believe the vehicle is stolen by the Dunn County.
Yes, the vehicle is stolen. And here I thought John was an outstanding citizen. I thought he bought this car with his hard-earned money. But never mind.
Oh, I got spikes right at Spruce in 93. I can see him coming.
I copy Spike, that's Spruce at 93.
He's gonna avoid him because he's cruising. He's cruising, so he's gonna avoid him. Yeah, when someone's cruising, they're not gonna hit the spikes.
Northbound on 93 from Spruce.
Spikes normally work when they're going high speeds, but John here is freaking cruising.
Copy, I-677 going in.
My man has a whole convoy behind him. What are you doing, John? What are you doing, John? John, what are you doing?
I'm gonna pit him.
Don't take no innocent person out here, John. Get him. Get him. Get him. Why you move? Get out of the way.
Absolute mouth.
Is that? My guy was just sitting there enjoying the scenery. Get that pit. Get that pit.
Free in tomorrow. Still heading northbound. Still at 70 miles per hour.
Get that pit. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him with the pit. Oh, whoa.
Looks like they got good spikes out.
Oh! I wasn't even paying attention. That's how good they were.
Lorch, Lorch, is where we're at now. Speeds are 40.
Going Hort. He's going Hort.
He's losing tires.
He going Hort. He going Hort. Hit him. Yes.
Stage is pitted.
But he ain't going down. Hit him again. Hit him again. Yes. Hey, go get him again.
Hey, you just rammed me.
The funny thing about this video, I actually bought an old police charger, believe it or not, but I want to turn it back into a regular street charger. But this is convenient. This is convenient. Also, follow me on Twitter if you want to see your updates on that car. I started posting on there more often. So if you want to see more car stuff or random posts that I do, follow me over there. Nice!
Rammed.
That Highlander is really going to Highland right now.
To the correct side of 93, still going southbound.
No! Don't hit this person.
Copy, southbound 93.
My man, yeah, you better give up. You're out of there, bro. Go on and get out for me. Go on and clock out for me.
Down. Roll your window down. Keep your hands outside the window. You're gonna slowly unbuckle your seatbelt.
Get that gun out of my face.
Slowly unbuckle
No, get out of the
your
car.
seatbelt.
I think the gun in your face is your least of your problem.
Get out of the car.
I don't have a gun.
You're coming out. Come on.
Yeah, all right. I'll
Come
open
out.
the door.
You ain't gonna be able to get out through the door.
All right.
Get
I'll
out.
Get out of the truck.
Come on, man. You ain't gotta be so rough, bro.
Bro, you stole a car,
Dude, you're gonna get
ran
tased.
for 2 different police counties. Yeah, gotta get out of the car.
I'm trying to get down.
Get out of the car.
What the f? Well, get down.
Get out.
Jeez, who the f think you are, bro?
Bro, get out of the
Get
car.
out of the car.
All right, I'll get out. Quit yanking me on the ground, bro.
Do it now.
Bro, I will come out.
Do it
Tase
now.
him.
This isn't on you time. This is right now.
Get out, bro. Get out. I will, sir. But I don't need to be yanked to the concrete.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
I'm trying, bro.
Oh my god.
Damn it, now it is.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god, it's like you're jumping. Fight back. Fight back.
Got one. Give us another hand. Stop, you're gonna get tased.
Bunch of bitches, dude. I was literally
Yeah,
ready
you the
to
one that
comply.
stole the car and ran.
Anyone in custody?
Who's really the one in the wrong here?
Got anything that's gonna
Brother,
poke, stab, or
brother.
injure us?
You just stole someone's car and ran for who knows how long.
You okay back here, dude?
Good dog, good boy.
You're not gonna fight anymore?
No, man. I wasn't fighting to begin with.
I wasn't fighting to begin with. Yes, that's what they all say. That's what they all
Right
say.
here. Do you want to transfer for me, Peyton?
Transfer where? Claire?
You go triple cover now.
We'll go to his squad and then back here.
Come with me, okay? We're gonna go back to this one, all right? You guys search similar, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Lindquist.
Step into the door there.
Ultimately, across the two counties,
What do we
John
got?
was charged with felony, vehicle fleeing, eluding an officer, causing bodily harm or property damage,
Jesus.
attempting to flee or elude an officer ×2, operating a vehicle without the owner's consent,
Jesus.
and misdemeanor, resisting an officer. All are repeat offenses, and his total cash bond was set at $27,500.
5
Eventually, he pleaded guilty due to a no contest
5
plea of
years in
fleeing,
jail.
eluding an officer, causing bodily harm or property damage, and to 2 counts of attempting to flee or elude an officer. The other charges were dismissed, but read in. Ultimately, he was sentenced to 5 years in state prison, followed by 5 years of extended supervision.
Let's go. I didn't get the supervision part, but I got the time in jail. Ladies and gentlemen, that was fun. My mother.